Welcome to Introductory Statistics. This is an online class being offered through the Forest Park campus. My name is Mike Lukey, and I'm the instructor of the course this semester. There's a lot to do, and there's no time to lose, so let's talk about how you can get started. First, you should log into Blackboard and click on the Start Here link in the course menu on the left side of the screen. Read through the documents and materials that you find throughout the Blackboard page, especially the syllabus and the weekly checklist. The syllabus has a lot of information in it, but it's very important for you to read it carefully because it contains important details about policies and procedures, as well as other components of the course. Basically, throughout the semester, I'm going to ask you to complete three main kinds of tasks: assignments, activities, and exams. The first task, the assignments, I'll ask you to complete about once per week, and they'll be based on the new information that you've been studying. There will also be about one activity assigned per week. The assignments and activities are critical components of your preparation for the exams, which there will be 4 of throughout the fall semester, about once per month. The exams are paper and pencil based and occur at the Forest Park campus on the dates given in the syllabus. Taking the exam with me at the Forest Park campus allows you to ask questions and get help as necessary. But if you need to make alternative arrangements for testing, that's possible. Please read the syllabus for details. Nearly everything you do for this course will take place at one site called MyOpenMath. MyOpenMath contains all the course materials like the textbook, video tutorials, and required tasks. It's pretty easy to use, and the best part of all is that it's free. Your only required costs for this course are your tuition. Everything else will be available to you freely online. The materials in Blackboard describe how to set up your account in MyOpenMath, show you how to get started, and a few important tips for using the platform. So please use the syllabus and the videos to help you begin in MyOpenMath. As for calculators, many students often ask me if a graphing calculator is required. It is not. We'll be using spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets to do many of our computations. And when graphs are required, we'll use other freely available online tools. You're welcome to bring a traditional graphing calculator or any other kind of non-mobile device calculator to the exams, but it's not required. Once you have logged into MyOpenMath, consider posting a photo of yourself in your account settings. That way, I and your classmates can associate your face with the posts that you're going to be making throughout the semester. There are directions for how to do this in the class discussion forum. Then, be sure to check out the textbook, links to other related materials and tools, and then get started on assignment number 1. All of those things can be found in the Start Here block of MyOpenMath. Getting off to a good start in an online math course is really important because keeping up with the work and the pace of the class is probably more difficult than the math itself. Most of the time, if you can finish the required tasks without getting behind the suggested schedule in the syllabus, your chances of success are going to be high. So what does it take to stay on track with that schedule? Well, consistency is the key. I am recommending to all of you that you commit to working 5 days a week on math. It's unlikely that you can finish this course successfully working only once or twice a week on it. The biggest mistake students make in a course like this one is underestimating how much time and energy it will take to be successful. This is a 4-credit course. And if you were enrolled in a face-to-face session over 16 weeks, your instructor would probably recommend that you spend 3 to 4 hours a week in class and at least that much time outside of class for doing homework and studying. Since online math classes usually require more time than face-to-face classes, I'm expecting that most of you should expect to spend at least 8 to 10 hours every week on math in order to be successful. That breaks down to working about 1.5 to 2 hours every day, 5 days a week. And that's exactly what I'm recommending in the syllabus. Although not everyone needs this amount of time in order to be successful, often students need more time than this. Please think carefully about the amount of time and energy you'll need to be successful in the course. And if you're concerned about the level of commitment that it will require, now is the time to contact me about that. Send me an email, give me a call, or stop by my office. Speaking of stopping by my office, I want to say something about office hours this semester. After the first few days, Blackboard will primarily be the place where we can meet for virtual online office hours. Blackboard has a utility called Collaborate, which allows us to conduct full-service video chat with a whiteboard, instant messaging, and everything we might need to help you answer your questions. I'm also available on the Forest Park campus to talk about any questions or concerns that you might have about the course in person. My campus office hours are listed near the top of the syllabus document. If you cannot make it to campus, though, I'm happy to schedule an appointment for us to meet in Blackboard Collaborate. It's not easy to work through an online stats course, but I think I've set up a course that's ready to support you along the journey. My primary goal is to give you opportunities to build a strong mathematical foundation so that you can use basic statistical understanding to confront everyday stats that the media uses and potentially use statistical methods to ask and answer your own research questions. I'm looking forward to working with all of you this fall, and I hope that you have many positive learning experiences in the next few months. Good luck!